Observing bird species with naturally vibrant colors is truly awe-inspiring. This stunning characteristic helps them stand out from predators and communicate to predators that they are not a safe choice for consumption. There are many reasons why different bird species continue to showcase beautiful and colorful feathers, from mating to recognizing members of their own species to diverting predators. This video shows the top 10 bird species whose feathers are the most colorful, exquisite, and peculiar, making them some of the world's most colorful birds. Top number 10 Kingfisher. Kingfisher's bright plumage looks exotic compared to many other bird species. When in motion, the kingfisher produces a startling flash of color with contrasting shades of orange, cyan, and blue. The kingfisher's intense blue color is special because most vertebrates cannot produce blue pigment. Interestingly, the blue feathers down the back of a kingfisher are actually brown. However, they appear as bright blue due to the phenomenon of structural coloration. The cyan and blue barbs of the kingfisher's striking plumage contain spongy nanostructures that reflect light differently and produce a different set of colors through tiny variations in the structure of the barbs. Top number 9 Peacock. Peacocks are pheasant bird species that have beautiful feathers used to attract mates. They usually inhabit open lowland forests, farms, and agricultural fields. These feathers look different depending on the species. Indian peacocks have bright blue heads and necks, while Indian peahens are brown, which helps them hide from predators when laying eggs. Javanese peacocks and peahens have similar coloring. During courtship, Indian and green peacocks unfurl their long trains, up to 7 feet wide, and have iridescent feathers in a scale pattern. Ocelli that resemble shining eyes adorn the train of peacocks. These characteristics serve the purpose of impressing and attracting female peafowls. Top number 8 Crimson Rosella. Crimson rosellas come in various colors, including red, orange, and yellow. Interestingly, when yellow and red birds mate, their offspring are often orange. This bird species gets its name from its vibrant crimson feathers and bright blue cheeks. Their back and wing feathers are black with broad red edges. Northern Queensland crimson rosellas are smaller and darker than their southern counterparts. Meanwhile, Adelaide rosellas have a mix of yellow and reddish-orange coloration. Young crimson rosellas have blue cheeks and green olive or yellowish olive feathers, with some red in certain areas. It takes over 15 months for young birds to develop their adult plumage. Top number 7 Mandarin Duck. The mandarin duck is a bird known for its vibrant appearance. It has a greenish-black forehead, a purple crest at the back, and creamy white sides on its head. They also have a chestnut patch below their eyes. Their upper breast is maroon, while their lower and belly are white. During courtship, they perform a unique routine involving bobbing heads and raising their crest. They are sometimes called love ducks because people believe they can enhance and attract love if they keep a sculpture of these ducks at home. Since they mate with one partner for life, mandarin ducks symbolize the importance of love and commitment. Top number 6 Toucan. The toucan is a popular bird species known for its large and brightly colored beak, which serves multiple purposes such as attracting mates, scaring off predators, and competing for food. These birds are native to southern Mexico, South America, and the Caribbean. They are primarily black but have accents of bright whites, yellows, oranges, or reds, depending on the species. Toucans spend most of their lives in the rainforest canopies and rarely venture down to the forest floor. Interestingly, their beaks have a rapid blood flow system that helps regulate their body temperature. Toucans even sleep on their beaks during cold nights to conserve body heat. Top number 5 Spangled Cotinga. The spangled cotinga is a unique and visually striking bird found in the tropical rainforests of Central and South America. These lively creatures have distinct features such as long fleshy wattles, bulbous crests, and Elvis-like pompadours. Their brightly colored feathers, ranging from electric blue to deep purple and screaming orange, play an essential role in sexual selection. Some species, like the Andean cock of the rock, turquoise cotinga, and banded cotinga, have evolved a range of vibrant hues to attract mates. Interestingly, some cotingas have developed feather structures with feather protein molecules on a nanoscale level, which scatter light to produce visible colors for sexual signaling. Top number 4 Gouldian finch. The Gouldian finch boasts eye-catching features with its purple chest, green wings, yellow belly, and turquoise headbands. These colors come from various genetic and cellular processes, with their diet being a significant factor. Both male and female Gouldian finches have the same color distribution, but males are brighter. Finches get red and yellow colors from eating grass seeds, especially sorghum. Their structural blue is due to light's reflection through nanostructures in their feathers. Green and purple colors combine blue structural colors and carotenoid pigments, while black feathers come from melanin pigment produced by skin cells during feather growth. Their vivid coloration is significant in mate selection and reproduction. Top number 3 Quetzal. The quetzal is a medium-sized bird species with a striking appearance. The males have a bright metallic green or blue on most of their bodies and a deep red color around their chest and belly. A distinctive tuft of golden green feathers on their heads forms a crest, and their twin tail feathers can grow up to a meter long. The females have a similar coloration to the males, but their plumage is dimmer. The red near their chests is much duller, and their heads are edged with green or gray colored. These birds prefer to perch high up in the tree canopy rather than appear on the forest floor. Top number 2 Lilac-breasted roller. The lilac-breasted roller is the national bird of Kenya. This bird flaunts a stunning array of colors on its feathers, including green, white, black, yellow, dark blue, reddish-brown, and lilac. Interestingly, these colors are believed to represent the different tribes in Kenya's community. Both male and female lilac-breasted rollers are equally beautiful, making it hard to tell them apart. They typically inhabit sub-Saharan Africa and the southern Arabian Peninsula, preferring open woodland and savanna. They're acrobatic aerial displays during the breeding season and are known for their fearlessness when hunting. They use techniques like swooping down on their prey and using their wings to disorient them before eating. Top number 1 Scarlet macaw. Scarlet macaws are a stunning bird species known for their vibrant, rainbow-colored feathers. Interestingly, scarlet macaws use their colorful plumage as a means of protection and to deceive predators. This type of coloration is called disruptive coloration and is common in group animals. They typically reside in the rainforest and prefer to live in areas with dense vegetation to camouflage themselves. When predators attempt to attack a scarlet macaw, they quickly fly away in a flock. Their diverse feather colors disrupt the predator's focus, making it difficult for them to catch one. This allows the scarlet macaws to use their striking appearance as a survival technique.